As I don't collect this my 20k salary now, let me give it to my babe to prove to her say I love her so much. As I promise her say I go give her 20k if month end. Now month don't end and I don't collect my salary. Let me give it to her so that she will really know say I really love her. After all, that mumu get why they fool promise to give me 20k if month end. So if I give my babe this money now, if that mumu get now give me the 20k wey she promised me, I'll use it and replace this one wey I give my babe. Yes.
Babe, I went to your house. I didn't see you. I said, let me come out at our usual place that I will see you.
Yeah.
So, babe, how about the money that you promised me? That you said if you get your salary, that you give me the 20,000 that you promised me. Don't say anything. Shebi, you said you love me, that you will do everything for me.
Yeah.
So
See the 20k to as like this now from bank I just dey come. I just go collect the 20k to show you say I love you so much. If I tell you say now you be back of my phone.
I love
without you, I will not breathe. So as now today they just the money enter. Now today they just send me the money to my account. I just I even collect it. I tie it to make sure say nobody see am. I tie am to make sure say I no comot anything from this money. I want to show you sir to prove say I love you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Don't suffocate them.
Okay, now I will be going.
Have that responsibility.
See you. Bye.
Okay.
Oja, Oswald. If not to play, now there they see you.
Hello, babe.
Hi, baby.
I'm fine. Good afternoon, baby.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Babe, where are you?
I'm around, bro. I'm around. What's up?
Yeah, I just called you to let you know that I'm with the money that I promised you.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
They have finally paid me, so I'm at that our usual point.
Okay, that our kind of feeling.
Yes, babe. Please come. Yeah. Please come, so I'll give it to you.
Okay, give me 2 minutes. We'll see you then.
No problem, my love.
2 minutes, I go.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too, babe. Bye.
Don't worry, just they play. Just they play. Keep
Hi,
playing.
baby.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, my love.
How far? Where?
Calm down. I'm with the money here.
Okay.
You know, as they just paid me, I didn't even touch it. As the way they take, like the way they tie it and give me, that's how I just carry it along. I didn't even touch. I don't even come on one because I love you. It's because I love you. Just calm down.
I see.
I told you I would do everything, anything for you. I would do it, anything. Just ask me anything. See it now. As they just give it to me, I just keep it. Yes.
I'm gonna use my name when I buy and wear. You love too much. Make I put them before you go lost. Okay, now I go see you now.
Oh, babe, not even a hug.
Now that one no be issue now.
Thank you.
I see you, eh?
Okay, bye.
Hello, baby.
Hello, sugar.
Oh, child. Where are you?
I'm at home.
See, you will come meet me for that junction where we meet. Meet me for there. So that money where I don't promise you. I don't get them. Keep them down for you. So no waste time. Come, eh? And you know I love you too much.
Give me 2 seconds. I'll be on my way.
2 seconds. You don't go too much. No wala. Go wait. No wala. Come, eh?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
In fact, see that money I promise you. I don't get them. I don't get them down. As they give me the money, see what I do. I tight and make sure say 1 night I don't come on. To prove that the law I get for you now tight one. I see am. See, as they give me now so I just tie down. It complete. I don't want to come out anything.
Babe, are you sure it's come?
It complete. Now tie down.
Because I'm not going to count. Are you sure it's come?
My love complete. The money complete.
I feel that.
Oh,
My baby.
It is smart Igbo.
I love you so much.
It is taking there.
my baby.
See you now.
Okay. I'll see you.
Bye.
But I will move. See I just why I collect now. I just back and give you my no transport. Hey, my love, yeah.
Hello, babe.
Hello, my dear.
My Odoko.
Hey.
My sweetheart. My
Ah, Mumu, not
heartbeat.
too much.
Babe, where are you now? I'm in front of your house.
Oh, I got around my place. I did close my house.
Come now. That money, that 20K I promised to give you, and with it now.
Give me now.
Yes, dear.
Hey, I love you. See, just give me 2 seconds. You will see me.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. I love you.
Eh, my babe.
It is what it is.
Like this. He gave something where I just said for your phone. He just tell me something. He said, you are with the 20K. You promised to give me. Hey,
Yes.
I love you so much.
You know I love you.
Hey.
I told you now. I promised you that I will bring you 20K. As immediately I got it, as the tithe, that is how I brought it. I didn't even do it, nothing. I just brought it for you. This is it.
Hey. I tie it to make sure say nobody see am. I tie am to make sure say I no comot anything from this money. I want to show you sir to prove say I love you so much. Take it.
Thank you.
If I tell you.
Babe, what happened?
It's nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing. It's not. Okay, this is the money.
Yes. Babe,
Child!
what
Oh,
happened?
it's not. No, it's not. Okay, this is the 20K.
Yes.
Like the 20K.
What type of plane is this?
Babe, are you not happy?
Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. Okay, like the 20K is this.
Yes. You will not even hug me.
Oh, oh. I love you.
Okay, now we'll see. Let's see later.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Okay.
The blood of Jesus.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Who is fully who? Hello, please, guys, please share my video. Abeg, just press that share button. Just click share. Share is free. Please share. Comment na refer your friend, refer them. Encourage us to do more. Please share our video. Support us. Follow me on my Facebook page. Follow me and also subscribe on my YouTube channel, Kizito Comedy UC. Follow me also on TikTok, Kizito Comedy UC11, and also on my Instagram, official Kizito1. Please support us. Without una, we no fit do anything. No. Abeg, just like and share. Please, just like and share. Click that follow button. Follow. Na free o. Na free. Abeg now. If una know that, mine need down for now. Mine need down. Abeg. Just make una just please. Make una just follow me. Follow me on my Facebook. Share my video. Comment. Also subscribe on my YouTube channel. I love you all. Thank you very much. Oh, without una, wetin I go do now? Thank you. Please share and follow.